I'm very happy to say that I'm partnered with Welch's to bring you this limited series that I call Grape Moments in History, where I'll take a look at some of history's more obscure, less well-known figures and events and honor them with a drink. Come with me on a journey into grape history with Welch's. In 1895, English author Guy Beringer penned an essay titled Brunch, a Plea. In it, he lays the groundwork and rules for the meal we now call brunch, a Sunday recovery meal, if you will. What he did not invent, however, is the tradition of enjoying a lightly alcoholic beverage with that meal. That honor falls to Abigail Larcher, the barmaid at the Shovel and Boot, the pub where he frequently had his brunch. You see, Guy Beringer was very, very proud of his invention of brunch, and every patron that came in would be more or less accosted by him shouting at them about his invention of brunch. "Hello, governor! Are you eating? Right now, it's brunch! I invented it! You're having my meal, brunch! Huh? Say it! Say brunch!" This was very off-putting for everybody and terrible for business, so Abigail Larcher made it a house policy that Guy must always have a beverage in his hand at his aforementioned meal. And it was frequently this drink, the Graperol Spritz. I'm going to serve this in a Collins glass, and I'm going to build it in the glass over ice. I put my ice in the glass. I'm going to need 2 ounces of Aperol. I'm now going to add 2 ounces of Welch's 100% grape juice. What Abigail would not have known in 1895 was that this is really the perfect complement to a brunch because Welch's 100% grape juice is just packed with vitamin C, which will help boost your daily vitamin C intake and give your system a jump start that everyone, particularly Guy Beringer, needs on those Sunday mornings. At this point, I want to stir this drink in its glass, just to incorporate everything, chill it, and water it down a little bit. Now let's just top that up with a little bit of seltzer. I like to hit it one more time with a spoon. I think you see a lot of bartenders do this. Just kind of move things up and down in the glass to help it incorporate. And a straw. Well, there it is, the Graperol Spritz, as served in 1895 by Abigail Larcher to Guy Beringer on his late brunches. I love this. This is a perfect brunch drink for me. It's sweet and bitter in pretty equal and well-balanced measure. The grape and the Aperol work really well together, actually. That's why you portmanteau them into Graperol. It is a light, tart, pleasantly sour, bitter grape drink. It's not too sweet. That's an important factor here. It could be too sweet, but it's not. It's effervescent. It's good. It's lightly alcoholic. It's a perfect thing for brunch. It's just a perfect brunch drink. That's what it is. See, I'll prove the point. It's actually very tough to accost patrons with a straw in your mouth. Oh! It's my meal! I invented it! You can't do it. It doesn't work. And so, really, Abigail Larcher, we salute you. Hero of a little quiet at brunch. Just a little bit of quiet. Maybe some sunglasses, okay? That's all we're asking for. And maybe like a nice fried egg, some cheddar cheese on top. It's been Grape Moments in History presented by How to Drink and Welch's. Thanking Abigail Larcher for your greatness and this delectable grapey and grape brunch tipple. Tipple? I wouldn't call it a cocktail. It's a highball. It's a spritz. It's a spritz. Brunch spritz. It's not a highball. Don't call it that. It's a spritz. Delicious. I'm gonna finish the whole thing, aren't I? Salud. What do they say in England? Oh, they just say cheers. Cheers!